In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the heat map in your video stats to see what viewers rewatch or skip and use that information to improve your content. This is a simple but very powerful feature because it helps you understand how people are actually watching your videos, not just how many views you got. Instead of guessing which moments are working well, you can look at real audience behavior and use that to make smarter editing and content decisions in the future. To get started, open the video you want to review. Once you're on that video, go to the stats section. This is where you'll find performance details for that specific upload. Inside the stats, look for the heat map feature and open it. The heat map gives you a visual breakdown of how viewers interacted with different parts of your video. As you move through it, pay attention to the sections where activity is higher. These are often the moments people went back to watch again. That usually means something. There was especially interesting, useful, surprising, or maybe needed a second look to fully understand. Also look for the parts where engagement drops or where viewers seem to skip ahead. Those sections can be just as valuable to study. A skip can suggest that the pacing slowed down, the introduction was too long, the point wasn't clear enough, or the audience felt that segment wasn't giving them what they expected. The goal here is not just to collect data, but to learn from it. If you notice that viewers re-watch a specific type of explanation, example, or visual moment, that's a sign that this style is connecting well and may be worth repeating in future videos. On the other hand, if certain sections are regularly skipped, that may be a cue to shorten them, tighten your delivery, or get to the main point faster next time. As you review the heat map, try to connect the viewer behavior with what was happening in the video at that exact moment. Think about the topic, the pacing, the editing, and the clarity of your message. Small patterns can reveal a lot. Over time, this can help you create stronger hooks, more engaging structure, and clearer explanations. The more you use this tool, the easier it becomes to spot what keeps attention and what loses it. That's how to use the heat map in your video stats to see which parts viewers rewatch or skip, and turn that insight into better content.